Hi there, my name is Hilary Bryan, and I am very excited to talk about my trip that's coming up in November to Kyiv. We have lots of events planned, from dance classes to an intensive introduction to the Laban and Bartenieff work. I'm very excited to be sharing that work and introducing new people into it. There will also be a continuing class for people who have already been introduced to the work. And I'm looking forward to at the beginning of our time together, I'll be giving a lecture on the somatic nature of this work, how it fits as a somatic movement practice, which of course means talking about what is a somatic movement practice. So I'm very much looking forward to connecting with old friends and making new ones and sharing this work and helping others to become inspired with this very exciting work. Thank you so much. Looking forward to seeing people. Bye.